Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust the shipping price on Whatnot. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and adjust the shipping price. Maybe you want to go ahead and make sure that someone is paying the least amount for a single card. How do you actually go ahead and adjust the shipping price? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Whatnot. Next, click on Seller Hub on the bottom middle hand side. Now, on this page here, we're going to go ahead and click on Create a Product. And as you're creating a product, click on Shipping Profile. And then based on the weight of the product that you're about to ship, that is what's going to happen as far as adjusting the shipping rate. So that's one variable that's going to adjust the shipping rate. So if we click on 0 to 1 ounce and then click on save, then click on publish. So we'll just do a test product here. So we're going to fill out all these details. Test, test. And then we're just going to take a photo. I'm going to click on publish. Okay. So now once you go ahead and create the product, right? Let's go ahead and re-edit that listing. If you scroll down, you're going to see the shipping profile is 0 to 1 ounces. Additionally, you can also change it to 4 to 7 ounces. And that field right there is basically going to be what it takes to actually adjust the shipping on Whatnot. But if you guys have a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.